Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about vegetation in desert area. You know, plants is very little in the desert area because of in desert area no rainfall and soil is not good. Vegetation is limited to scattered thorny bushes. It is difficult to build roads and railway lines in the desert. Camel is the important mode of transportation. Why? Because camel can live for days without food and water. So camel is the chief mode of transportation. It is called the ship of the desert. Camel is called ship of the desert. Why? Because camels can live for days without food and water. What are the uses of camels? Camels are used to plough the fields and draw water from wells. Camel hair is used to make clothes and good quality paint brushes. And camel skin to make tents. These are the main uses of camels. Water is generally little, but at a few places the underground water comes up to the surface and forms big pools. Such a place is called an oasis. What is oasis? Some places in desert area, some places the underground water comes up to the surface and forms big pools. Such a place is called an oasis. Some trees like date palms, kicker plants, bubble and grass grow in the oasis. Small villages also develop around an oasis because of availability of water. Small villages also develop around an oasis. Why? Because of the availability of water. Okay? Thank you.